Now, close your eye, okay? Close your
should've
eye.
kept my
Close your
mouth
mouth.
No, my hair! I got poop in my eye. I think that's doodle in my eye. It's an early start, but we've arrived at the Elephant Sanctuary. It's pretty nice here, but it's really cold. We're in the north of Chiang Mai, and it's so cold. But anyway, we're gonna go in and we'll check out everything. So I'll see you in a bit.
I'm gonna give you like a shirt like this, shirt, and also a pen. Pen, if you look at pen, guys. It's free size, okay? It's elephant size, okay?
I'm gonna go get changed, put these pants and this shirt on, leave my stuff in the locker room, and then get changed in the areas.
Okay, this way first. I want to show you how to close, okay? How to talk with them first, okay? First, so you're ready, guys. Look at eyes and at them. And say, Ja! Ja สวยอะไรฮะ Let's put it up, please. ไม่ให้ทำไมก่อนไม่ให้ยังไงก่อนจ้าก่อนจ้าก่อนสูง
Oh my god.
Oh my god. One time. Okay. We can feed with them, stay with them like this, okay? Over there. Not right here, guys. Okay? No fan here, okay?
ไปซื้อน้ำโค้งมากินด้วยกัน20 บาท
นี่ใครครับแบบนี้เนี่ย
20 บาท
จ้ายังจ้าก่อน
น้ำโค้งกับโค้งกินคนละครึ่งคนละครึ่งนั้นเลย
Should go.
มีก่อนไปก่อนนั่นมันมีก่อนไปทำ
Okay, grass, napier grass,
I have to
elephant
carry
love
this.
it. Yay!
Where to put all this stuff. Alright, I'm coming. Sorry. That's the big one right there. But she's so cool. She's so good. Cha. Cha. Look at that. Cha. Hey. I wasn't shook there, I promise you. I was fine. She's cool. She's so cool. Like, she's fine. She's absolutely fine. But she eating, and I'm disturbing her eating. So I'm gonna give her some space. She eating her bamboo. She yamming up her bamboo, so I'm gonna leave her. They say you should speak in Thai. So they just advise the easiest word possible. Cha.
Hello, come on.
Hello, it's me.
To us.
You didn't say
Asian elephant, we got like twin dome. Look like an apple, right? But African only single dome. Okay. Single dome. And the big different guy, tusk. The tusk. See tusk.
Okay,
Yeah. African elephant, male and female with long tusk. Okay. But Asian elephant, just only male. Only male, right? Female, no tusk. Female cool because it's healthy. Okay, Thai. Try one time.
I'm gonna have to pass on this one.
Yeah, it's rough.
Nothing, right?
No.
It's nothing.
No, it's just like grass.
Yes, you know, that's right, guys.
Something growing on
This
it
is
already.
yesterday.
Yeah.
Yes, see? Nothing. Hey! Try.
Okay, maybe.
Try one time.
Yeah.
Hey.
Wow.
Try one time. See?
So we're heading to the mud spa at the moment. We just finished feeding the elephants. I'm having to switch over and use the GoPro now because I'm not getting my camera wet, and this is the perfect thing to use for this. So apologies if the sound isn't that great. Change into my swimming gear, and yeah, we're gonna bathe with the elephants. So it should be good. Ooh, it's cold! Wow! It's cold.
It's cold. It's okay. One time in life, guys.
It's cold. It's cold.
No, where you from? Guy. This is making
It
my
is cold. We're really in the mud. Look, we're about to take a mud bath with the elephants.
Ready?
Alright, let's try and get round to it.
We're gonna like this.
Okay.
Okay? We're gonna help them, guys. It's cold,
All right.
no, but it's okay, guys.
Okay.
Let's cut them. Yeah. It's okay. One time in life. Hey!
Wait! Wait! Damn it, man! Oh, it's gone right in my bone crack. Cha! Look at the baby. Cha! Ah! That was close. I didn't realize how deep it was here. Cha! Cha!
Now, close your eye, okay? Close your
should've
eye.
kept my
Close
mouth
your mouth.
Ah! No, my hair! I got poop in my eye. I think that's doo-doo in my eye. I need water. I'm sorry there's mud on the camera, guys, but if I use my finger, it's just gonna get more muddy. So you just have to bear with me until we get in the water. I'm getting there though. This is amazing. Hi. Huh? Yeah. No, I think I just walked into his foot. Yeah, you're right.
Like this. It's okay. One time in life.
Look at that. Look at that.
It's bean sprout. Bean sprout right here. Chinese cabbage. Okay. Chinese cabbage right here. Chicken we already cooked. Okay. Put together right here. Tofu. This is chicken broth right here. Of course, guys, we already cooked for 2 or 3 hours. Okay. It's done right now. If you love it, guys, maybe if you wanna go back when you go back home, you wanna cook for your family.
Okay guys, that's it for our trip to, I think it's Maerim Elephant Sanctuary. Again, I'm gonna put the link in because I always forget these names, but I had the most amazing time here. It was, I don't know, it was indescribable. It was such an experience. So definitely, if you're in Chiang Mai, come to this elephant sanctuary. You're gonna have the time of your life, bathing, going in the mud bath, feeding the elephants, bathing with the elephants, and then you get that cooking class at the end. So you get to make that really delicious noodle soup. So yeah, so heading back into Chiang Mai, it's about a 50-minute drive, and then I'm going to chill and rest up because tomorrow I'm heading to Phuket. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Later.
If we never don't know, someone's gotta change.